Hey guys, been a while out here in Portland on a Saturday. We're building some fence for a lady. Not a big job, but I figured, you know what, I might as well get the kids involved. So yeah, Fix-A-Fence LLC on the scene here about right off of 158th and Powell, and got my granddaughter going here. Remember her back in 2010? She did a video about what was it about? Zombies. Yeah, and then you did another video about what? Why should people get an estimate from Fix-A-Fence? Yeah. So now that it's been 15 years later, Allie, since Fix-A-Fence has been in business, why should people get a fence estimate from Fix-A-Fence? Not only because you answer the phone now, but
I don't know, because it's free.
A free fence estimate. I love it.
John's nice.
Thank you. All right. Well, and then something special. Allie's growing up and she has a boyfriend, and now he's on the fence line. Gus, what do you like working with Fix-A-Fence?
The expectations are there every day. You know what to expect when you come in. It's a family. We take care of each other.
Right on.
Yeah, it's loyal. It's real.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's honest. It's honest work.
Honest work. Yep. Dirty
Honest
hands,
work,
clean
people.
money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Thanks, Gus.
Likewise.
Anyway, guys, yeah, Fix-A-Fence is growing up, man. You remember Allie, 10 years old, with that video, my goodness. And now I got her marking and cutting fence boards. Anyway, I'm going to capture some of this stuff on video. We'll see what goes on. Hold on. Well, that does it for this job. On to the next one. I got Allie just finishing up on the screw. Look at that. So what we did was, instead of digging a hole, this is as close as we got to the tree right here. I'm gonna take this off here so it don't look good. Yeah, take that off. Anyway, yeah. So this is what we did. And we weren't too mean to the tree. Okay, so we screwed a block in here, 3-inch screws to it. Same thing down there, you know. So, but you know, that's what the lady wanted. She wanted to block this fence off, and I don't know why, because there's another fence right there. So this is her property line. I can't complain. All I know is that's what she wanted, and that's what I did for her. I gave her a little 20-foot fence for her, 5 foot high. And well, she's happy. Okay, guys, on to the next one. Smiling.
To bring back the true brew pub experience of the past, check out our beer bottle cooler, which has
Future Fix-A-Fence right there.
available for here or to go. Don't forget about our delicious artisan